Hey guys, and welcome back to another pack opening series today. Today I'm going to open some packs with around 1 million coin with 100k packs because EA usually give me some kind of shit players which it wastes my money. EA just wasted my $32 last week. I'm pretty much disappointed. Today, team of the week. That is Marco Reus. This purple left back defender Gashauli. This purple guy here and Coutinho. This is the players I want to get. I opened some pack this morning. I got Reus. Look at this. First owner Reus. And these players. I got a lot of info today. And this is my bench. Now I'm going to open some packs. EA, you don't give me shit players like Diabetes or Virginie. Please, yeah, give me someone today. Oh my god, I didn't got him today. Oh shit, transfer list is full shit. What do I have to do? Okay, I'll keep the rest in my club and discard the rest. I have to clear my transfer market first. In case. Remove this player. Done. Let's get back to the pack. Let's stop. EA! Opening some 9 more packs for you. You better give me someone. Oh, be clear. Who is that? I don't even know. Who is that? Who the hell is that? Oh, black. Oh, black. Seriously, EA, are you racist? I don't even know who the hell is that. I got Bender. Seriously. I don't know who is this. Just give it to the transfer list. Who the hell is that? Open another pack of 100k. EA, don't let me disappointed now, please. EA, get another inform. Wow, brilliant. EA, brilliant. That is so brilliant. Ramos. Nah, I won't keep Ramos. And I got this. I always got this goalkeeper, which all my friends say this goalkeeper is the best girly goalkeeper. Oh, look at his hair. Oh my god, why is he so tall? The rest. Let's discard the rest. The third pack. EA. Please, EA. What? EA, what? I don't even want to check. It's come from shit players. Why do I want to check? Skip pack. Check, is there anyone? No, that's not anyone. I'm not going to check. I'm not going to check the players. Look at that. Look at the players. I got 70 rated. Last player. What? EA. EA. Alaba. Rooney. It's only worth 10k. What, EA? To just keep him to the club. I bet there's no one. Of course there's no one. Of course there's no one else. This pack. Seriously? Yeah, are you so seriously taking a piece of shit? I got no one. I opened 2 packs in a row. I got no inform. What the hell is this? Yeah, big shit to me. Hopefully this pack you may give me someone. Yeah, please. PK. What? It's worth only 15k. I got him already. The bender again. Never mind. EA, stop giving me gadado. Gadado. Seriously, EA. Look at that guy hair. Last 4 pack, EA. Don't let us down, EA. Oh, Bodo. Who the fuck is that? Obviously, it's shit player. Not good check. What, EA? The bro is supposed to be in Manchester City, I think. Why is he still in Wolfsburg? Why is he still at Wolfsburg? This doesn't make any sense. Yeah, you have absolutely broken the game by not giving up anyone as well. Last pack. Hopefully we can get someone. Not those kind of shit players. Go. Seriously. I'm not gonna check. I know the players behind are shit. I don't even want to check. Cause it's shit. I'm very angry right now. This is so everything. Okay, let's open the last 100k before I range quit. If I get any info, I will be happy with it. Yes, finally. After 4 packs, I got 1 inform. Why does it take so long? Oh. Let's get my money again. Let's do 1 last pack and we are done here. I do not want to waste any of my money. So let's see. Any look pass. Shit. Who the hell is that? Last pack. Then I do it I still need the last pack. PCA. Sergio Ramos. I'm done. I'm stopping there. Buffon as well. Pantala. I'm stopping there. I'm keeping Sergio Ramos. I will be selling him. I'm done. I'm scared to open any more packs right now. Nah, let's just open the last pack. The last pack. EA, end it off. The last pack. EA, let it off. Kadira. What, EA? What? Why do you want to give me Kadira? I don't even want him. And I got Simon. Lol. Yeah, oh my goodness, it's this guy again. Oh my god, and the blue hair gay Torres. I'm done. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'm going to do my next pack opening either next week or somewhere around tomorrow. And hope you guys leave a like button and subscribe, and see you guys next time.